everybody, it's me, Shea DaNatural, again here today with another natural hair video. Today I'm going to be going over the feed-ins that I have installed in my hair right now. So today we're going to be doing some DIY feed-ins. These are my attempt at a style that I've seen on Instagram, and I took a little vote and wanted to see which style you guys wanted to see me attempt, and everybody decided this cute feed-in style. Unfortunately, this style was a fail, but the feed-ins weren't. So we're going to stop for just a second, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell down at the bottom of the screen, and we're just going to go ahead and continue with the video. So anyway, these are my feed-ins. I did these myself. They're about a week old right now. So this is what it looks like. Your own feed-ins on yourself, then continue to watch this video and stay natural. Okay, you guys, so this is what I use. I deep condition my hair before I do any braid style. So this is the Shea Moisture Manuka and Honey Hydration Treatment Mask, and I also use the Intense Hydration Conditioner. But you know, before I condition my hair, I always cleanse first. So I use the Intense Hydration Shampoo as well, the Manuka Honey. So here, I haven't tried this yet. I just know my hair tends to itch anytime I get braids. This is their Tea Tree Oil by Cantu. And this is what I use after I finish my braids to set everything in place. This is a foaming wrap. This will be my first time using the Cantu. And with the braided styles that I do, I use edge control. And you can also use jam like I do in my other videos, but I just decided to give this edge control a try, and it worked pretty well. I also have my trusty rat tail comb to go ahead and part my hair, and some nice clips to keep everything out the way. So let's go ahead and continue with the video. So I start off corn rolling my hair first, then I start to add in the hair. So I go ahead, take that first section in, and I lay it down first, half down my back, half in the front of my head. Then I corn roll a little bit and feed the other half that's hanging over the front of my head into the braid. And I go ahead and I corn roll the hair about 3 little sections, sometimes just one. For this style, I believe I just did it one time, and then I go ahead and add in the other hair, half in the back, half over in the front. Corn roll the back half in. Then I go ahead, continue to corn roll, and I bring the first section in the front and pull it down into the corn roll. And I just make sure that I get it under my index finger. And I go ahead and one more time, I corn roll it down. Make sure to pull it through so it doesn't get tangled. And here I just felt like I had to do it another time before I went ahead and did in the next one. So I use my pinky to hold it down, pull it down under my index finger, and I go ahead and corn roll that hair into my head. Once I get it corn rolled in, make sure that's right. Get it corn rolled down on the other side. I pull it down under my index finger and continue to braid. So you just continue this all the way down the hair. And then feed it in. I'm right-handed, so I like to feed it into the right side of my braid. Hold it down with my pinky for security. Pull it down, half down the back, half in the front of my face. See, I'm using my pinky for stability. Now go ahead and bring the other half into my hair. I know me myself, I am a visual learner, but I know some people like to hear instructions. That's why I'm doing it this way. But if you need to just go ahead and mute me so you can see the procedure done without hair in my mouth, feel free. Remember to bring your hands all the way through so you don't get any tangles or knots in your hair. I'm using some of that edge control to make sure that my hair blends with the weaving hair. And I do that for each little section of hair at the end of my head, just to make sure everything blends and I'm smoothing it through. Hold everything together and in place. Grabbing some more. I always put as much as I feel like I need. There's no certain amount to add. You just want to make sure that your hair is blended and smooth with weaving. I just bring it over where it's more comfortable for me to continue to braid it down the rest of the way.